What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on Tesla stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there, and I will show you how we caught this movement to the downside that hit our price target at roughly $180 mark. Then I will continue with the fundamental news and I will show you why this price action is happening. And at the end of this video I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point, and I've told you that because of this breakout below the $204 mark, most likely we should see lower price action, because with this movement to the downside we confirmed the WXY correction from its all-time high range. From this point we have WX and Y, and because of this we should see lower price action and the longer consolidation phase. And also I marked this range of roughly $180 as the range of support and resistance, because we had a very good reaction from this range previously. We have this range as the range of resistance right here, range of support right here, range of support right here, and range of support right here. And I have to say that we have movement to the downside. We have small blip below this range and had a bounce. And I have to say that this movement to the downside was quite harsh. Let me show it to you more thoroughly. We had from this point we had a movement to the downside that lost about 11% of its value during just one session, and it gained almost the entire position back in just a couple of sessions. And definitely this choppy movement is showing that we still have a lot of uncertainty related to Tesla. But from the technical standpoint, as you can see, I drew this line previously, and it performs according to my analysis. And that's why you have to do your own technical analysis in order to know which way and how deep this asset might go. So, and let's continue with the fundamental news. What was the reason of this harsh sell-off? And definitely it was the disclosure of Elon Musk sales. As you can see, on November the 8th, we have several filings that he sold a bunch of his shares, and definitely I covered it in my previous video. All of these sales made because of Twitter acquisition. And let me show you another news that was published on November the 10th, and it says Tesla stock removed from Wedbush best ideas list over Twitter train wreck disaster. And let me quote you this summary. Tesla stock was removed from Wedbush best ideas list on Thursday, which analysts then ifs citing the other hand from chief executive's entanglement with Twitter. In what has been a dark comedy show with Twitter, Musk has essentially tarnished the Tesla story and is starting to potentially impact the Tesla brand with this ongoing Twitter train wreck disaster, ifs wrote in a note to clients. From selling Tesla stock again and again to the PR nightmare that Twitter has become, cutting 50% of employees and then needing to bring some back, Musk's attention focused from Tesla to Twitter. And ultimately the fear that is Twitter lightning rod on controversy on a daily basis starts to negatively change the Tesla brand globally. Tesla is Musk, ifs wrote, and it has made him the richest man in the world. Tesla is the golden child of his empire, and he's changed the auto world much the way that Apple's iPhone changed phones. But now he has managed to do what short sellers tried and failed, to crush Tesla's stock despite the EV company being in a position of strength. Ifs said he still believes in the EV story as a long-term play, but Tesla's roughly 25% sell-off since the Twitter deal is an agonizing cycle for investors to navigate and has put massive pressure on the stock as it's a boy who cried wolf narrative shaping up. Ifs is sticking with his outperform rating on Tesla stock, but lowered his price target from $300 to $250, reflecting the overhang. And definitely this opinion is quite bearish on Tesla on the short-term perspective, but he's still bullish in the long-term perspective. Definitely you have to be very cautious with your position, but let me show you that fundamentally Tesla is ramping up its production. And on InsideEVs.com we have this article that is titled "Tesla Giga Shanghai EV inventory increases at record rate." In October, production exceeded wholesale sales by roughly 16,000. And definitely this increase in the inventory shows that on Q4 2022 they might drive these sales much higher, and the results will be very positive for Tesla at the beginning of 2023. Definitely this might drive the price of Tesla fundamentally, and on top of that they are ramping up their production rates in Fremont as well. And they are sending around 200 employees from Giga Shanghai to Fremont to help boost the California's plant production, according to a report from Automotive news. And on top of that, Tesla is still seeking the place for their next gigafactories, and we have another rumors that probably it might be in Mexico. And I will put all the links on these articles in the description below. You can read it by yourself, because previously we had rumors that probably they will open their new plant, new gigafactory in Canada. And I have to say that they can do it simultaneously. So probably next two plants will be in Canada and Mexico. This means the total number of plants in North America might be up to 4. And definitely this means the fundamental position of Tesla will be even stronger from this point. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, what should we expect next? Definitely, I think we are not out of the woods, because the latest wave should have a shape of 5-wave structure. And in my opinion, we are still in the 4th wave, and probably we have from this top, from swing high, first, second, this entire wave has a 5-wave structure, it is the 3rd one. We are about to see the top of our 4th wave, and probably the next leg to the downside will land somewhere lower. And where we might land? Definitely right here, as you can see, at $180 mark, we had the range of support. And this means with the truncated 5th wave on a smaller scale, we can see even a double bottom pattern. And probably in the ranges from 180 all the way down to this bottom, to 175, we might have the double bottom pattern from which we might have a trend reversal. But most likely we will land lower. And if I zoom out to the 4 hours time frame, and show you this price action from the bigger scale, let me show you that we had, and I have to say I have to switch to even daily time frame. Right here, as you can see, we had the movement from its lowest point to its swing high, which lead to massive profit for its investors. And if I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from this bottom to this top, as you can see right here, we have the most probable range of trend reversal, also known as golden pocket pattern, right here in between $152.41 and $165.25. And this range, the lowest border of this range, also has the confluence with the tops right here, as you can see, and it also might be quite good support. So if this asset, let me switch again to hourly time frame, if this asset breaks its previous swing low right here, definitely we might land at these ranges, and this will be a very good opportunity for you to enter the swing trade position. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium